So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make okra gel, and the only thing you'll be needing is okra. I'm going to be teaching you how to make it from scratch. So if you're interested, keep watching this video. So first off, we're going to start off by cutting the back of the okra and the ends of the okra first, and then we're going to be chopping up our okra. So there are two methods of making okra gel. We have the boiling method and the blending method. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the boiling method to make your okra. So okra gel, like I said earlier, is very good for your hair. It has so many benefits. So basically, first off, we're going to be chopping it up in smaller pieces. So once we're done chopping it off, we're going to be following it through by adding water. So first off, okra is very hydrating. If you're trying to grow your hair is dry, I'll definitely recommend you using okra gel. Okra gel increases moisture, reduces dryness and brittleness. It hydrates and soothes the scalp. If you're having itchiness, it reduces that. Second thing okra gel does is that it's rich in protein. So okra gel helps to repair broken hair strands. It also enhances your hair elasticity, thereby reducing breakage. So the third thing is that it has this nourishing and protective benefits. Okra gel contains antioxidant properties that is supposed to help shield your hair from environmental stress and damage. It also has its anti-inflammatory things, which is supposed to help reduce inflammation, promoting hair growth. So the fourth thing that is it can be used for styling and its texture benefits. Okra gel is very good. It enhances curl definition, which helps to reduce tangleness. So the next thing is that we're going to be boiling our okra gel. We're going to be transferring it into our pot, and then we're going to be adding water. So I didn't do any measurement. I just eyeballed it. I just added some water and then I put it to boil. So you're going to be boiling this for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you're going to strain the gel and you're going to get your gel. So when you're boiling your okra, make sure you cover the pot. Remember that we're trying to prepare okra, and covering the pot will help the slime to come out more. So make sure you always cover your pot. So once we're done doing that, we're going to be sieving it. This is how okra is looking after boiling it for 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, we're going to be straining it out to get our gel. So I'll be using this my sieve to actually strain out the okra. So okra has a lot of benefits like vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, and K. It also contains proteins and antioxidants, and is rich in moisture because of its high water content. It helps to moisturize and hydrate your hair when applied to your hair. It also helps to strengthen your hair strands. It helps to make your hair manageable. It also makes your scalp to be moisturized. It helps to improve elasticity of your hair. It also helps to make detangling of your hair easier. So now I'll be leaving the remaining okra to actually make food out of it, like soup. So yeah, okra, you can also eat it as a food. You can also take it like people actually drink okra as water, like a food. So yeah, you can also use it to make soups. And yeah, this is the gel we're able to get out of the okra, and now we're going to be transferring it into our applicator bottle. So my applicator bottle, I'll be using this spray bottle to actually apply it to my hair. So yeah. So this is the amount of okra water we're able to get from that okra, and yeah, we're going to dive right into applying it to our hair. So yeah, this is okra. So now I'm going to be sectioning my hair. As you can see, my hair is dry and very ashy. We don't do that right here. So that's what we're going to be trying out. Okra gel. I've gotten a lot of requests of me trying out okra gel, and I say, why not? Let me just try it out. So my first impression of okra gel, I would say it's very thick. Okra is really thick, like it has so much slime, and it actually gives your hair shine. I don't know how it works, but it actually added shine to my hair, which I loved so much. And it also moisturized my hair. Like the moisture I got from applying okra gel in my hair is is second to none. Like I've not seen any product that does it the way okra does it, and I would definitely recommend it if you're trying to use okra gel as a form of moisture. I'll definitely recommend it. I know I've used a lot of things on my hair like previously, but I've used okra gel, something I'm going to use another time. So the method I used getting my gel was the boiling method. So I'm going to try it again using the blending method, and I'll leave my reviews. But from the one I used, like this boiling method, I loved it so much. Like, and it doesn't smell. The smell isn't bad. If you've eaten okra before, you definitely know how it smells, and it didn't smell that bad. It was quite okay. And yeah, and one thing I would say is when you're using this, I use this as a leave-in. So the way I used it is that I just applied it to my hair and left it in my hair, and then I left it like I applied it on a Tuesday, and then I washed my hair on a Saturday, and the moisture was still there. Like from Tuesday to Saturday, you can imagine the amount of days, and there was still some form of moisture. Like it's unbelievable. So yeah, and when you're applying this, don't forget your ends, guys. Your ends are like the weakest part of your hair. They need all the love and care. Make sure you're applying to your ends, your scalp, the length of your hair, so the product can get into your hair and do what it's meant to do. So yeah, so did you know that okra is actually rich in protein? Like it's very proteinous. Even if you, some people use, people eat okra and also drink okra. Some people actually apply it to their skin, and they've gotten a lot of benefits from it. So this is a win-win situation. Like there's no loss in using okra, so why not try it out? And yeah, if you've used okra gel on your hair, I'd love to hear your review. What is your take on it? Would you like to use it again? But for me, I would definitely recommend it. It's one of the best form of moisture you can add to your hair. And conditioners, so some people use it as a conditioner, some people apply it to their hair like cream. Like literally, some people just apply it to their hair, but for me, I use it as a leave-in, and then I washed it off. So yeah. So this is how my hair is looking after applying the okra. Can you see the slip, like the shine I was talking about? Can you see it? And then my curl patterns definition was top notch. Like it's second to none. The curl pattern I got from it, the moisture, the shine, second to none. And did you know that okra is popular in the south state of Africa and Middle East? Is an essential crop in many countries due to its high nutritional value. Like okra is very nutritional to the body and also to the hair and the skin. So yeah, it's a win-win situation. And yeah, okra is rich in magnesium, fiber, and antioxidants, and it has vitamin C, K, and it's very beneficial to our health, even incorporated in our meals. It helps to improve our heart health and lowering the risk of blood clots. It also has some antioxidant properties, therefore reducing the appearance of cancer, like literally. So yeah, it's very good. So once I'm done applying my okra, I always make sure I pack my hair so that my hair is not just everywhere, it's in one spot. So yeah, once I'm done doing that, I'm done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to hear from you. What have you done to your hair that is actually making your hair grow? What form of moisture you've added to your hair? that's making your hair grow, and I would love to hear from you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, tell me what type of content you love for me to film. I'm trying to try out new things, like how I tried rice water, and now I'm trying okra. So just tell me what next you want me to try on my hair. I'm your lab rat, I can try anything for you. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.